Okay, hey guys. I know you saw my other video, but this one I have to do it with my friends. Yeah, it's not really her phone. I think but it's not. I hope please like, cause other people they not like it. They get y'all just don't hate us. Haters ain't it? Haters. Okay, today I will show you a trick. Well, not trick. Cough drop. And some water. Okay, I'm in the cough drop right now. Let's see what this about to do. Okay, it burns really bad. It's a challenge. Okay, I'm not sure, but this one I'm gonna do.
Sasha? Oh, I think he's in the classroom, sir. Madam, waiting for you.
Ew. So I'm gonna tilt back and watch this.
Emergency. The horrible smell is in the air ducts. But that means it'll go through the whole school. You've got to shut down the air conditioning.
There's no juice in there. I just made some corn. I spit it back. And the cough drop gone so you never swallow cough drop or bite it. It was big, so I couldn't bite it. You would have heard it. Not in here. So where did it go? You see the trick? Good. Got it? Good. Thank you for watching though. And I hope you enjoyed it. Okay, so now I'm gonna choke up the cough drop. Like the trick?
See? It's coming from there. Stop! FBI! We know it's you, Sasha. The snifferoo as I did. Yes, and all because of that mysterious...
I got a little bit left. I just hope. So I won't get sleep. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.